What is up, you guys? I'm back today with another video. We're driving right now. I say we, I mean me and myself. I just finished getting a haircut, grabbing some food from Jimmy John's. What we about to do right now is we about to swing through. Let's see. We're gonna stop by Advance Auto. I got to pick up some terminals, they're crimps, but I'm gonna get some crimps. I got to change my washer fluid or put some more in. I'm gonna get some crimps. Let's see, something else I gotta get from there. God dang, I cannot remember. I don't remember. But long story short, we're going to be doing something extremely fun. But first thing I have to hit on this video is I gotta tell you guys the results of doing yesterday's battery terminal job. So I'll show you guys right now. As soon as I switch lanes, changing the battery terminals, it did good. It did its job, all right? Hopefully, for those of y'all that have trouble, let me show y'all real quick. For those of y'all that might be having some trouble or something, you know, hopefully, you know, there's no lights, no nothing. So hopefully this can fix your guys' issue, okay? My light went out, my charging light went off, and the check gauge light went off. So I have no more engine codes. Battery volt, you can see right there, is at a nice, healthy 14 volts. Cummins is running good. All my gauges and stuff, everything's hunky-dory, all right? So that ended up fixing it. So I highly recommend and encourage you to check your battery terminals and battery terminal cable before you run out spending a couple $100 on an alternator, because you might save yourself some money and not even need it. You know what I'm saying? So I wish I would have changed all four when I first did it, because I changed two back, like I said, I changed two back in January, problem went away. You know, 8 months later, problem came back and it was the other two. So go ahead, you don't have to go buy $50 terminals unless you want to. I know sometimes you guys put those aftermarket ones on where they have multiple gauges on them, which is cool if you're gonna be running a lot of accessories, which honestly I probably should have gotten, but I just didn't feel like dropping 55 bucks on some battery terminals. Just go to the parts store, pick yourself up some $5 terminals, get you 4 of them, swap them out. So if you're getting to that, and you might ask, how do I know if I need to change my terminals? You guys saw what the terminals I took off looked like yesterday, and you saw what they did, how I can just pull them off the terminal post. If you haven't seen it, I highly encourage you to see yesterday's video, because we also had a very cool, brief unboxing on the channel. Really good stuff, so definitely encourage y'all to do that. On the back to the terminals, yes. You know, you can look at the terminals and they might not look necessarily bad. You know what I'm saying? They can be just normal looking, but they might not be having that good tight connection. Something else, an easy way to tell if it's your terminals, get some sandpaper, and on the inner diameter of the terminals where they sit on the post, go ahead and rough that up with some sandpaper or maybe a wire brush, and clean that layer of oxidation off of the surface so you have some fresh exposed metal. And if that fixes it, that's telling you your terminals are probably going bad, or they're probably old, they need to get changed out. I've done that a couple times where I get a little sandpaper and I scuff up the battery terminal post, and I scuff up my terminals, and it helped it out for a little bit. This is way back before I swapped out those first 2 terminals I had. So definitely, I highly encourage that, all right? So I really appreciate you guys coming to the channel, checking everything out. I gotta get back in the mix of being a cameraman again, you know, filming and talking in the camera and stuff, because it's been so long, I feel foreign to it again. But like always, please make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like button, because you guys know that helps the channel out tremendously, and I'm grateful for it. Like I said yesterday too, for those that may have not watched yesterday's video, thank you guys so much for 9,000 subscribers. I'm blessed, honored, and privileged to be able to say that, and it wouldn't be possible without you guys, okay? So I definitely appreciate that, which is why when we get to 10,000 subscribers, you want to be subscribed, following the channel, and following the Instagram, because we're gonna be having a nasty ass giveaway. I'm telling y'all right now, don't sleep on me, all right? It's gonna be some good stuff. You guys are gonna really enjoy it. Whoever wins this giveaway, you're gonna have some fun. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be real good, okay? So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also make sure you're following the Instagram, because the Instagram, I have a lot of content on there. I'm constantly uploading things on Instagram. Like right now on Instagram, I'm doing for today, Sunday, only today, once the post is gone, I'm not doing it anymore. I'm doing a shout out for shout out. So what that means is, you know, you send me a picture of your truck, and I'll repost it, you know, on my channel You can post my truck on the channel if you want to. On your channel, I really don't, it doesn't bother me. I'm doing it more for you guys because I know a lot of you guys got some nice trucks out there, nice rigs. So, you know, just kind of get you guys exposed out there, all right? So definitely jump on the Instagram. Link to the Instagram is always down below in the description box, okay? A couple things with the turbo. So, as you guys know, yesterday we got a turbo. And what was it? Oh yeah. Who did I get it through? I got it through a company called MDC Diesel. They do manufacture Smith and Diesel turbos. Okay, they're pretty much like Smith and Diesel's brother, if you want to say. They definitely they manufacture in-house all of the turbos. My turbo was made to order. These are not just bolt together Chinese turbos. Smith and Diesel is based out of Texas in America, made in the USA, and you can tell because you get good quality. Right now, if you didn't know, we're running the 464 Smith and Diesel turbo on the truck right now. So game plans with the turbo, I'm not going to announce it yet until a video, because in all honesty, I'm floating both ways on what I want to do, so it can go both ways. But we're actually about to be pulling up to AutoZone, and we're going to I got to go inside, get some stuff, and then from there, we're going to go to the house, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to attempt to do on the truck today. If everything goes well, it should be for a nice cool mod, you know what I'm saying? So I just pulled up right now. I will see y'all in a second. Actually, I'll just see y'all when we get home, because I ain't about to drag this out talking. All right, you guys, so we're back at the house now, at the crib, and what we're going to do is we're going to try and set up my train horn. So what I got from AutoZone was some wire crimp stuff. You can see that, just some gauge wire, because I needed some. Little terminal connector, terminal ring. The tank is gonna go in the bed of the truck because that's my tree stand is in my truck. So you can see in the corner, I have my air hose, a brand, and I got my power and negative wire. That wire right there is a power and negative. I gotta pull it out. I had that set up a long time ago. Like when I first got this truck, I put a train horn on here. The trumpets on this truck currently are shot. Those ones are bad, so those are coming off. And in return, we're gonna put those black ones on, Viking horns. I will have a link down below for all of this stuff if you guys are interested in it. But yeah, we're gonna do that right now, okay? We got some clouds in the sky, so I'm gonna be working a little faster. Oh, for those of y'all that wanted to see the final results of yesterday's video, so came out really clean. And then you got this side, came out real nice, all right? So gonna make some work. It's all about the U hooked up. So at this point now, we come over here and zoom in, no pumps running. Now if we come to the truck, and I noticed that a lot of people, out of all the videos I've made, no one has ever asked what these switches are right here. I think I had like maybe like 3 people ever. Go ahead, flip the on switch on, turn the compressor on, so now we have onboard air. You can't see it, but you can hear it, hopefully. She's on and pumping. So that's good. I just wanted to give you guys a little update with that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I got these. Oh, by the way, don't ever buy wire cutters like these. These are junk. These are, I bought these from AutoZone for like 13 bucks. I'm taking them back as soon as I'm finished with this job, because this is, I mean, brand new. They can't even strip wires. I'm using a razor blade and my dikes to strip wires. So we went ahead, and it's hot, man. It's hot again. It's another hot day. It was supposed to rain and look all thunderstorms and stuff, but it is hot as hell. So it's done finally. It took me forever. I had to pretty much rerun new wiring because the old, well, you guys can't see me. The old wiring was so shot. It was just old and cruddy and corroded and stuff. So I had to run new wiring. But it's good now. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did, how I went about it, my setup. Don't go crazy. I mean, whatever. I really don't care. But my tank situation is temporary. So I'm gonna start with the tank and show y'all the tank first, okay? So back here, you can see we got the tank hooked up. That cable is just my cable for temporarily until I'm debating on if I want to drill it to the bed. I really don't want to, but it'll do. But the tank's pumping up right now. You can see the wiring. I gotta clean it up. I know it's all connected and everything's secure. She's pumping up air right now. It's been sitting for like 2 years in my garage, and it had water in the tank. I thought it was broken. I legitimately thought this tank was broken, but it's still there. She's still good. So we got that going. Now the only place you can really see where my wires are right in here, and I hear a hissing sound already, so I already know I got a leak down here. That is the only crappy thing about running these train horn systems, or running a cheap one. Yeah, so it sounds like I need to take that fitting off. I need to take this off altogether and put some tape around that, because it's coming off from there. You can't control that. Okay. All right, well, one of these days I will address that. It's coming out of there pretty steady. Wow. Actually, no, it's coming out right here. I gotta redo my hose, so I just gotta clip it, put it back on. But this is my air horn setup, replacing that one. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, that one is twice the size. It's made out of metal, and it's way louder than what this is. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed in how these sound. These kind of sound, I'm not gonna say like clown horn, but they don't sound like my other ones used to sound. So I'm probably gonna be taking these off. I'm not gonna say soon, but soon I'll probably be taking them off. They are metal. It's not plastic. It's metal. It's just they don't have that deep sound. I like that deep sound to them. I don't like it when they sound, you know, all sound like I don't like it when it sounds like a clown horn. You know what I'm saying? I'll let you guys hear it right now. So I got my switches set up here. Just flick it down. There you go. Kind of sounds. I want to hear that again. So I mean, it's not bad. I like it. It's a little too high pitch for me. I like it being like a little bit like like the ones coming through. What? Fucking wife coming out here disturbing my filming and shit. All right, so we got that set up now. I still got a shit ton of cleaning to do, and I got to edit this video because I want to get it up tonight. So that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today. Oh, and I got to go to Advanced or AutoZone before they close because it's Sunday. I got to go there and return those crappy. Where's it at? Those crappy things over here I bought. If you're ever at AutoZone and you're in a crutch and you need wire cutters, highly don't recommend these. Stay away from these style ones. These cheap ass little ones where it's like that setup. I didn't even use none of the connectors in there. I ended up having spares that I used. So definitely turbo unboxing and discussion coming in the near future. Very near, probably the day after tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see how the work week goes. You guys can see my wiring setup here. Very, very simple. I got a negative and I got my positive wire. All right, I got two positive wires. One's for the compressor, one's for the trumpet. All right, and I just ran. Actually, no, one. Let's see. Actually, one's for the compressor. Yeah. All right, I was right. Okay. Yeah, one's for the trumpet, one's for the compressor. This one is coming from my switch in the truck. I just ran my negative from the compressor to this switch, and then from this switch to the battery. That way, if there's some sort of jump in it to kill it. I'm be honest with you, I'm 100% surprised all of my switches and wiring was somewhat decent. Granted, now my train horn wiring was good. My compressor wiring was bad. And I still got the light bar set up here and stuff. So I was surprised that was still working good. But nonetheless, I'm happy. I'm happy. All right, so you guys, we're gonna go ahead and end this video out. I gotta clean up, and I still gotta do all the stuff I said earlier, and I gotta season some steak and cook some food tonight for the work week. So thank you guys so much for checking out the channel, and until next time, which is gonna be soon, you guys take it easy, be safe. By the way, comment down below, tell me what you think about the train horn sound, if you like the sound, if it's a little too high pitch. In my personal opinion, I feel like it's a little too high pitch. It needs to be brought down a little deeper, more bass to it, but I don't know, maybe it'll grow on me over time. We'll see. So let me know how it sounds on film, how you guys think of it. If you got any questions, links will be down below for the components that I used. Other than that, really that's it, man. Until next time, thank you guys so much. I love you all. Take care. Peace out.